Hi, I'm here from M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to do a quilt as you go orphan block pillow. So I'm using the June Taylor Quilt as you go. These are these great stamped on the batting quilt as you go pillows, and I just decided to use mine because it takes a 6.5-inch square in the middle here. I thought it'd be a fun way to use up an orphan block. So remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To do your quilt as you go pillow, you're going to want your batting with the printed on it. So the June Taylor Quilt as you go pillow. You can choose which one you're doing. Right now I'm going to show you some fun option with this square on point. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to baste back on here. So for this background fabric, I just used something that's in my stash that maybe I'm not going to use anytime. Maybe I'm wondering why I bought it. It's the inside of your pillow, so no one's going to see it. So it's a great way to get rid of fabric maybe that you're not going to use any other way. You can use spray basting. I just used Elmer's glue. So I just put it down and then smooth this all out with the Elmer's glue, or you can use the spray basting. I just don't like the fumes, so I don't use that. Then we're going to go over to this side. We're going to take an orphan block because we're always looking for a way to use up an orphan block. So if you've got a 6.5-inch orphan block that will finish at 6, it's perfect for this. So that's what this one is. So we're going to stick our orphan block, that's the 6.5-inch, into the square here. And we're going to take 3-inch by 6.5-inch strips. We're going to go on either side. So we're going to put this right sides together. And we're going to sew our 1/4 inch here, right sides together, and we'll sew our 1/4 inch here. So we're going to look like this. We're going to take it, we're just going to finger press it back, so we don't accidentally stretch the batting while we're piecing our pillow. Then we're going to take our 3-inch by 11.5-inch strip, and we're going to go on either side here, and we'll just stitch on either side here our 1/4 inch. Next we're going to take 2 9.5-inch squares, and I've done 2 different fabrics. You can do them the same, but you know I like scrappy, so that's what we're doing. And then we're going to cut that on the diagonal once. So we get these 4 triangles. And then we're going to place them in each of the corners. So we're going to do this corner and this corner. Flip it, kind of center it in there. And we're going to stitch along here and stitch along here. Okay, and then we'll just flip these back. Finger press this so we're not stretching our batting, and then we're going to do that other half square triangles that we cut, and we'll sew those on. And you'll just flip these pieces back, finger press them. Then you're free to go from here to make your pillow, trim things up and make your pillow, or you are free to do some more free motion quilting in here. Then you're going to trim up your edges. And then you can finish your pillow. They have instructions how June Taylor would have you do it, and they do a binding. I prefer to do my pillow in an enveloping style, and I will put a link up above so you can see how I do that. And that will finish your quilt as you go orphan block pillow. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.